Hello everyone, welcome to Paranormal and Spiritual World. Today we'll talk about that in what circumstances you can get birth again back into your family after death. A lot of people had this question because a lot of people had affection towards their family members and they really wish to get incarnated as a human being and as a family member of their own family again. Is this possible? Yes, it is possible, but it is not possible with everybody. It is possible with people who have strong intuition, have strong connection towards God, who are having strong connection towards their own family members. It is basically a connection from a soul to soul, not just a body connection. And apart from that, the things which really involve to make this happen is good karma. You really need to do a lot of good karma in your lifetime in order to get the results you want, because whenever you're wishing something, your wish needs a support. So support is a good karma which is supporting your wish. Apart from that, you should have that priority in your conscious that I want to get birth in back into my family after death. A lot of people have distractions in their whole life. A lot of people have different priorities in their own life, and even at the time of death, what you are thinking, what you are having in mind also matters a lot. Sometimes we only have this thinking of getting birth in our own family for a fragment of seconds, but if your thought is deep enough that you are constantly thinking about it since a very long time and you have not given up on this thought, then definitely it can work for you. But to support this thought, to make it happen, you really need a lot of good karma which can support this thing, because what is your outcome of your karma matters a lot. If you're doing bad karma, if you're generating bad deeds, then no matter how much you wish for anything good, nothing good gonna happen with you in the end. And the kind of incarnation you will get in your next life, where it will get, in what circumstances you will get, what kind of death you will get, all these things matter and are based on your own karma, are based on your own deeds and actions. So everything, every wish, and this is a very big wish, it's not just a small wish of getting a car or a house or a life partner. This wish is bigger enough to get yourself incarnated according to your on your own terms, on your own liking. So this is a really big wish, and it can happen in very rare cases only with people who are doing very good karma, and that karma is supporting them and their wish, which creates the consequences of fulfilling your wish and getting incarnated in your own family. I have already uploaded this video in Hindi language, so you can browse the same from the below link. Thank you so much. Keep on watching me.